Hello guys, welcome back once again. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly stick with me to the end of this video and subscribe to this channel. You can also share this video at the end of this tutorial to people who you know might be making use of it or might be needing it. Alright, so kindly stick with me to the end and watch this video. Then if you're a regular visitor, you're welcome once again. So this time around we'll be looking at how to design this text this text edit with just Pixellab. Alright, it's actually a feature that is very rare, that a lot of people might not have been using this feature because maybe they don't know about it or something else. So I'll have to take a new interface of this Pixellab and then go to my text. I'll just go to text, select this text and type the necessary text I want to be using. Let me take, for example, I want to use Sonia, so I can just use this name as an example. So I can just increase the size of this, then go to my font, go to my AB font and select, go to my font and then select this font. No, not this font. The name of this font is Popcat, this font in particular. So you can just tap on the link in the description to be able to install this font, and also you can check the video I embedded in the description or about how to install amazing fonts into your Pixellab. How to download and install it into your Pixellab is there, so you can just check it out and watch the video. Alright, so I've taken this font and the next thing I will do is I'll have to change the color of this font. I will change it to pure black. Select this black and then go down to my stroke. So I can just go to stroke and enable it. Then I'll be selecting a yellow stroke, but I will increase the stroke to this point. Alright, so I think I'll have to change the size of this interface so it will look bigger. And just use this YouTube channel banner. Good. So just increase the size like this, then go down to 3D text. So I'll just select this, then enable it and increase the depth a bit, and also go to X rotation and rotate it like this. Then go to darken. You see this darken? I'll increase the darken to like this point. Good. So I can just mark good like this and then go to my text. I'll be selecting another text. Sorry, I'll have to increase the spacing between these text, these letters. So I can just go to spacing and increase them a bit, so it won't look too clustered together. Good. So I'll pick a text, which is this, then edit. Then I'll be inputting this particular text I'm using, which is Sonia. Increase the size like this and then place it here. Once I'm done with this, I'll go down to color. I'll be selecting gradient, so I can just choose the color I want. This is the mixture of color I want here. How I was able to combine this color was like this. You can just select this and then tap on this color, choose the color you want, which is blue, and then select this, tap on this color, then choose pure red. You see that it can be able to be combined like this. Then okay. So I'll go to 3D rotate, then rotate it in X-axis format, just like I did in the first one, like this. And then go to line spacing. You see where they wrote spacing. Increase the spacing like this, in such a way that it will fit in very well inside this font. Good. So it has fit in like this. I'll have to merge everything here together. Let me reduce the size a bit. so it can fit in wholly. As I've reduced the size, I will also go back to spacing, then increase the spacing again. Alright, so I think it's good like this now. So I'm done with this. I'll have to merge everything here together. Once I merge all these things, then I'll then go back to the real editing I want to edit with this text now. So I can just, it's no longer a letter now because it's combined. I can just go to emboss. You see this emboss here, select it, enable it, then shift this angle. Shift this angle. You can see the way the light is coming from. So I can shift it to 338 degrees. Good. So the light is coming from the below side. Then this intensity, I'll have to increase the intensity to 100. And then this ambient light, I'll have to reduce it to 30. The hardness, I'll have to increase the hardness to 100. And the bevel, I'll leave it at 40. Good. So you can see that this particular text edit is very bright and it's very nice. You can use this if you want to design maybe any celebration flyer you want to design for children, or you want to use it for something else. You can just use this edit because it's looking very charming and very captivating. So I'll be uploading another video on how to be able to apply this type of text edit, the type of flyer you will be applying this type of text edit, and how you'll be able to place it to be able to attract attention and to be able to fulfill the purpose of that design. So thank you once again for being here, for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Also share this video if this video is useful to you, and I'll be expecting your comments in the comment section about how useful this video is to you. And also, if you need me to do a design or a design of your choice, or maybe any tutorial you want me to do, you can just comment on the comment section with what you want, and I'll reply you and do the video as soon as possible. Thank you once again, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and get in touch.